Certainly a lot more to this case. Dwane Cates is a criminal defense attorney. He's also with us now to talk a little bit more about this, Dwane. And we were getting an up-close shot of the parents of Casey Anthony inside the courtroom who are sitting there. What's your next move? If you're the defense attorney, what's the next move for you?
Well, Jose Baez made some big promises in an opening statement. He promised that there was going to be evidence that Casey Anthony was molested by her father. There was going to be evidence that Kaylee Anthony drowned in the swimming pool. And at some point in his case, he's got to put on some evidence that these things happened.
So for you, as far as the forensic evidence, Dr. Kobylinski just said, hey, listen, this basically is neutralizing what the prosecution has to say. You still say that there has to be more coming from the defense besides just this forensic evidence?
I agree. There's a battle of the experts, and I think the defense is doing a good job in the battle of the experts. But I had a case once where the prosecutor made statements in opening statement that they couldn't back up with the facts. And on closing argument, I walked up to the jury and I pointed, and I made notes where the prosecutor was standing, and I pointed and I said, the prosecutor stood here and he told you this and that wasn't true, was it? And he stood over here and he told you this and that wasn't true, was it? And that devastated the prosecution's case. That's what's going to happen to Jose Baez if he doesn't put on some evidence that backs up what he said in opening statement.
I only have about 30 seconds here, Dwane, but how close do you think it is that Jose Baez is to being held in contempt, to the judge just stopping this case because of all the obstacles along the way, all the criticism of this team?
I believe that Jose Baez is going to be held in contempt, probably not during the proceedings because the judge doesn't want a mistrial. No judge wants a mistrial. But when this case is over, the judge has basically promised that he's bringing this to the State Bar of Florida. And I believe there's going to be a bar complaint against Jose Baez, and I believe that the judge is going to try to hold him in contempt after the case is over.
At every level, there's just a different twist and turn to this case. Dwane, nice to have your expertise. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.